Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live class. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about one more assignment on the chapter in the earliest cities. So here are the few questions. Now let us find the answers. So the first question is, where is Dholavira city located? So the answer is Kadir Bait in Ran of Kutch, which is in Gujarat state. The answer is what, children? First question answer is Kadir Bait in Ran of Kutch. Right, children? Now let's take the second question. So where was the city Lothal situated? So the answer is near the areas where the raw material is available. So which raw material particularly? So semi-precious stones. Okay, children. So the answer is near the areas of raw material available. Raw material is available. So which raw material particularly? So semi-precious stones. Semi-precious stones. Okay, children? Right? So this is the second question answer. Now let's take third question. The huge tank of water is located. Lothal was used as dash. So the answer is we use for dock yard. So the third question answer is dock yard. Okay, children. So this is the third question answer. Now let's take the fourth question. So what were the seals used for? So the seals we used for to stamp bags or packets, so containing goods that were sent from one place to another. That means to stamp okay, so to stamp bags or packets. Okay, so the packets containing goods which sent from one place to another. Okay, children. So to stamp bags, packets containing goods, so which sent from one place to another. So that is the fourth question answer. Clear, children? 4 questions are completed, right? Now let's take another question. So now we are moving to the next question, which is fifth question, children. What was the use of plow? So plow means it is used to dig the earth for turning the soil and planting seeds. Okay, children. So the answer is what? It is used to dig the earth for turning soil, okay, and planting seeds. Okay, children. So this is the fifth question answer, right? Now let's take sixth question. So sixth question is, name the animals that were reared by Harappans. So the answer is cattle, sheep, goat and buffaloes. So sixth question answer is cattle, sheep, okay, children, goat and buffalo. Right, children? So this is the sixth question answer. Now let's take seventh question, children. So which crops were grown by Harappans? So the answer is wheat, barley, pulses, rice, mustard, etc. So seventh question answer is wheat, pulses, barley, rice, and mustard, etc. Okay, children. So this is the 7th question answer. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next we are moving to the 8th question, children. Let's see the 8th question. Name the city of Harappa that was divided into 3 parts. So the answer is Dholavira. So the 8th question answer is Dholavira. Right? Now let's take 9th question, children. Name the material used to make a plough. So the answer is wood. So 9th question answer is wood. Now let's take 10th question, children. So 10th question is mention a unique finding of Dholavira. So the answer is large letter of Harappan scripts. Large letters of Harappan scripts. Harappan scripts. Okay, children. Now let's take the last question, 11th question. The city of Lothal stood beside the tributary of Dash River. The answer is Sabarmati. So the answer is Sabarmati River. Okay, children. So these are the 11 questions. I hope you enjoy this session, children. Right? So thank you so much. Have a nice day.